What's up, y'all? We have a bike check today on the Cherry Canyon route. And we have a Yokota El Capitan with some bontrager wheels, 26-inch, tubeless, rim brake. Start from the bars. Got some Hunter smooth moves, 780 millimeters wide with some Paul levers. SRAM apex shifter with some ergon GA3s. We got some TRP cantilever brakes. And we have a Wide Industries ENO crankset, 34 tooth in the front, 40 tooth cog in the back with SRAM rival derailleur, VP pedals, blue lug reflector, outer shell saddlebag, Brooks Cambion C15, and is this a specialized stem, 100 millimeter with a Paul Funky Monkey, an awareness bell from Golden Saddle Cyclery, topped off with a couple of bottles from Team Dream, collab with Swerve. It's a Columbus tubing. And some Pathless pedal stickers. This is very gravel specific. Laterally stiff. These tires are Michelin Wild Grip R at 2.1. All black. And a carver fork. Soma? Carver fork with a King Creek headset, straight steerer, and a velo orange cantilever rack with a ringtail jacket tied to it. Oh, and a moots seatpost, setback. Maybe it's a 20 mil setback, I don't know. Titanium. And that's it.
Yeah, so I think you should give it
56 effective top tube.
It's a large. Yeah.
Good to go. Peace.